morning, ma'am. I am Andrea Nicole A. Macapas, and my assigned topic is all about the Module 17 by Stenberg of Successful Intelligence Theory. So, before I am going to discuss my topic, I am going to introduce first Stenberg. So, Robert J. Stenberg is a cognitive psychologist who is currently the provost and professor of psychology at the Oklahoma State University. So Robert J. Stenberg has written 20 major books with topics ranging from intelligence, giftedness, creativity, love, and hate. Okay, now let's proceed to my topic, which is the successful intelligence theory. So in successful intelligence theory, there are 4 skills included there. So first is a memory skills, then second is analytical skills, then third is creative skills, and lastly is practical skills. So first is memory skills. So what is memory skills? So memory skills help us recall and pieces of information. So it helps us retain the knowledge we acquire. So here in memory skills, um, memory help us um, to recall knowledge that as a student or as a person, memory help us to remember what happened yesterday, what happened to our past. So that is the importance of memory skills. So as a student, it is important because we remember the past lessons, which we call our stock knowledge. So that is the memory skills. Then second is analytical skills. What is analytical skills? Analytical skills help the person determine if a certain idea is good. So analytical skills, it is using your critical thinking. Then if a memory skill is help the person to recall some pieces of information. So herein, analytical skills help the person to think critical thinking. So here it based how to think the idea. So if you think or imagine the idea, inaalam mo if it is a good or not. So here in analytical skills, it helps us to know kung ano ba yung tama sa mali. So, because as a student, if we apply the analytical skills, for examples, pinapa-answer tayo. So, iniisip mo kung ano ba yung tamang sagot, kung ano ba ang tamang isasagot, o tama ba yung masasagot mo. So, you are thinking critically. So, that is analytical skills. Then, third is creative skills. So, creative skills allow a person to come up with a new idea, usually to answer a need or solve a problem. So it makes one flexible and able to adjust to change um, one situation. So here in creative skills, dito tayo naging innovative, innovative in finding better ways of doing things and solving a problem. So that is creative skills. Then lastly is practical skills. So practical skills enable a person to apply what one has learned. So it also allows one to carry through or implement a plan. So here in practical skills, we think with action na. We think with action. So gumagawa na tayo ng paraan upang ma-implement yung mga ginagawa natin to apply our knowledge and some information that we think. So again, in practical skills, we think with actions. So, gumagawa na tayo ng paraan to apply our stock knowledge and blah blah blah. So that is practical skills. So it states here, so each person may have his or her own unique way of practicing the 4 skills because each has different strengths. The idea is to further develop one's unique strengths in the context of the 4 skills rather than simply making it a goal of the school to just develop memory and analytical skills. So the theory of successful intelligence points that some students who do not do well in conventional courses may in fact have the ability to succeed. So if they thought in a way that better fits their patterns of abilities. So again, it is vital that we remember what we learn, memory. So use critical thinking to evaluate the things we learn, analytical. Then be innovative in finding better ways of doing things and solving problems, as I said earlier, which is ang creative, and apply and put to action what we learn. Lastly, ang practical skills. So next, let's proceed to the WICS model. So WICS stands for wisdom, intelligence, creativity, and synthesize. So Sternberg 2010 described the WICS as follows. So the basic idea is that citizens of the world need creativity to form a vision of where they want to go and to cope with changes in the environment. Analytical intelligence to ascertain whether their creative ideas are good ones, practical intelligence to implement their ideas and to persuade others of their ideas. So it is general explanation by Sternberg about what is the WICS model. So WICS models is nakakatulong ito dahil dito pag-uusapan natin on how to apply the WICS model sa ating mga estudyante as a future educators or as a future teachers. Next, wisdom. And wisdom, in order to ensure that the ideas will help achieve some ethically based common good over the long and short term rather than just what is good for them and their families and friends. So Sternberg said that your role as a teacher is not to educate the minds alone but to educate the soul as well. So meaning, accept this is not just a job but embrace it as your mission. So that's all my report. That's all my assigned topic. And the next topic, which is how to apply the WICS model in teaching, which is a discussion ni Miss Mamintas. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you and have a good day.